to take this opportunity to welcome you all to this auspicious and ceremonious occasion, that is inauguration of this new campus of Chanakya Healthcare Institute. I, on behalf of the management, extend my heartiest thanks and felicitations to the distinguished dignitaries who are among us today. Most importantly and particularly, I thank Srimati Chandima Bhattacharya, Honorable Minister of State, Health and Family Welfare, Government of West Bengal, Sri Swapan Devnath, Honorable Minister of State, Land and Land Reform, Textile, MSME, Government of West Bengal, Sri Vishwajit Kundu, Member of Legislative Assembly, Kalna, Professor Dr. Sushant Kumar Bandyopadhyay, Director of Medical Education, Government of West Bengal, and Dr. Devi Prasad Tiwari, Director, Birla Planetarium, who have spared their valuable time and taken the pain to be with us for making this function glorious and most eventful. Madam, before we enter into the health sector, sometime in the first half of 2009, we are closely held, diversified business house engaged in the business of mining of iron ore, education, cold storage, production of sponge iron, brick and tiles, construction, etc. for the last 5 decades. Chanakya Hospital, which was acquired by us in a very turmoil state from a group of doctor entrepreneurs, was our first venture in the health sector. With the induction of many new departments and facilities post-takeover, the hospital was radically changed by our dedicated team of doctors and staff members by now, although truly speaking, not to the full satisfaction of my personal level. Based on the progress of the Chanakya Hospital and to stand with the sincere effort of our Honorable Chief Minister and the government to bring a phenomenal change in the health sector, our group has decided to come up with an investment plan of rupees 300 crores in a span of 3 years, especially in the particular and the hospitality sector in the state of West Bengal. Besides the hospital service, education in the health sector was identified as the need of ours in our state, as there has been a marked acute shortage of trained nurses and also the trained personnel to run the hospital industries with professionalism. We accordingly, without wastage of time, started Chanakya School of Nursing in 2011, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and affiliated to the government West Bengal Nursing Council with a batch of 30 GNM students, subsequently enhanced to 50 GNM nursing students per batch. We also started a master degree course in hospital management under West Bengal University of Health Science in 2011. These courses have been running very well over the last few years and have inspired us to expand our endeavor in the health education. To serve the purpose in a better way, we formed a separate company under the name and style of Chanakya Healthcare Institute under Section 25 of the Companies Act with its charitable character. All the aforesaid courses henceforth will run and continue as the part and parcel of the activities of the Chanakya Healthcare Institute. Chanakya Healthcare Institute is mainly designed to impart formal education in 3 spheres: nursing, paramedical, and hospital administration. We will be running bachelor's and master level education programs in all these 3 sectors in future. This will act upon as win-win solution for all concerned. For the students who will get better prospects, and for the healthcare industry as they will get the required personnel and overcome the massive shortage of skilled manpower. Besides GNM and MHM courses, we have introduced bachelor program in the hospital management in this year, to be followed by various other courses like BSc Nursing, BSc Critical Care, and BSc OT Technicians from the next year. This new campus being dedicated today to the society for the development of the healthcare education is centrally air-conditioned campus equipped with 7 numbers of laboratories with modern teaching aids and equipments, a library with an extensive collection of books and journals, Wi-Fi internet facility, and finally to be accommodating 1,020 students in future. Here is not an end. The group side by side has taken a massive renovation program of Charnock Hospital, which will be completed by March 2014. Once the renovation of the hospital is completed, it will be a full-fledged modern hospital with a capacity of 240 beds and having all facilities including cath lab, CTVS surgeries, along with other tertiary care facilities under one roof. And I am sure that this hospital in future will to a certain extent meet the long-standing need of northern part of Calcutta, which slightly at the moment is weaker to the southern part of Calcutta in the healthcare sector. Last but not the least, our four-star hotel project at 2006 Rajarhat, which is at the verge of completion, will surely add a feather to the infrastructure of Rajarhat Kamdam New Town area. Madam, we strongly believe in only one word, that is Choraivati, means go on moving forward with honesty and dignity. And we are trying to do so with our best ability without much drum beating in the society. Madam, we do not believe in demanding anything from anyone, including the government, except a genuine moral support from the government and you people in time so as to help us to serve the society in a better way. With these words, I once again thank all my dignitaries, reporter friends, staff members of Charnock Hospital and Charnock Healthcare Institute present here for sparing their valuable time and making this program successful. Thank you all.